Would you like a couple of tips on how you can get your credit scores higher so that you can be in a position to purchase a home? Hi, my name is Willie Smith with the Military Mortgage Pros. I get questions quite a bit about what can you do to be able to get your credit scores in a better position to be able to buy a home. So I'm going to spell out 3 tips today. Number 1, pay on time. The single biggest thing that can give you a positive credit rating is making on-time payments. Whatever credit obligations that you've taken out so far, do your best to make those payments on time. The moment that any of those payments go 30 days late, that's when it reports to the credit bureau and it can have a negative impact on your score. Number 2, credit utilization. As a general rule of thumb, as your credit card balances increase, your credit score decreases. You want to do everything you can to keep your credit utilization as low as possible. 50% of your credit utilization is good, 30% is very good, keeping your credit balances 10% or less, great. The third piece of the puzzle is making sure you only use credit when you need to. Stay within your means. Don't take out additional credit on things that you do not necessarily need. Because what it does is it affects your debt to income ratio, it affects the amount of outstanding credit that you have, and it can be a negative impact on your credit scores, which in turn affects your ability to purchase a home. If you have additional questions and you would like to speak more about additional tips on how you can improve your credit, please don't hesitate to reach out to my team, schedule a one-on-one consultation, and we can put you on the journey to home ownership. Thank you so much, and you have an awesome day.